Hello guys, so today we will learn how to solve any bug or any issue which you might get in any of the environments like development, test or production environment. We will see 7 steps that you can follow to quickly analyze any kind of bug and also improve your problem solving skills. Let's get started. Number 1. Check with your team members. So your team members might have faced such kind of problems already. So they will definitely know the solution for it, or if not that, they will at least help you in the right direction with the possible solutions for this bug. So definitely check with your team members before proceeding to identify or solve any bug and trying to reinvent the wheel again. Number 2, look at the error message. So error messages give a lot of information, like if you can get the access to the logs, you can check the exception messages, the stack traces or any error codes. That will definitely help you to know which part of the code is giving the error. So look at the error messages carefully and try to identify the exact location of the exception where you're getting it. So mostly in the exceptions you will have exception lines which are out of your project, right? Some third-party libraries. So just try to find out which is the line from your application or your project which is the starting point for that exception, and then go from there, like what could be the cause of this exception or at this line. Any class that is not getting initialized properly, or any parsing kind of exceptions. So that starting point will give you a lot of idea. So exactly what in your code is causing that exception. Number 3 would be check for any recent changes which might have introduced this bug in the code. So you can check if there is nothing released around that code, so probably it not be, but it is a definitely good idea to check for the recent releases which have gone, and this bug was not coming earlier and now you're getting this bug, so there might be definitely something which the new changes have introduced in the code. Number 4 would be definitely to analyze the code. So you can check what could be causing this problem, could there be any logical errors, could there be any dependency problems, like you have upgraded any dependency but the other dependencies which were dependent on that were not upgraded, so that is causing some problem. So analyze the code properly for the potential bugs. Number 5 would be definitely reproduce the error. So in production environment it will not be possible to do that because that is not advisable. So what can you do? So you can try to reproduce that error in your development environment or in your test environment. So if you can do that, you can also enable the debug logs, and in that way you will get more information on the exception and on the bug, and that will definitely help you to reach to the solution very quickly. Number 6 would be to identify if the bug is coming from the front end or it is introduced in the back end. So if you have a web-based application, you can quickly inspect and see if the right values are going to the backend. That will help to calculate or do the operations. If not, the exception could be because of some validations or something from the front end itself, and mostly we get some 500 internal exception errors. So that means something in the backend is failing. So that is the problem, or this error has come. So do check that, try to inspect from the front end and find out what could be the problem, like are the values going properly or not, and how is the backend responding with what kind of exception. Number 7 and most important would be ask for help. So don't sit with your bug for many days and weeks without asking for any help with others, or even looking for online help or something like that. So definitely ask for help. Your team members will definitely help you. They might know something around it, or they might connect you with other people who might be able to help you with that, like with other teams or anything like that. So don't just sit with your bug if you are not able to analyze it. Definitely connect with your team members. They'll be surely able to help you. By this process, your knowledge of your application and your project would definitely go drastically. So maybe you are not assigned the bug, somebody else is assigned. So you can understand how they are working on it. In that way also you can improve and increase your understanding of the project and application. This will also help you increase your credibility within the team. So your team members will know that such kind of bugs you are able to handle. So next time you will be able to help others, and also you will be able to quickly solve any kind of issues that are coming around that code which you have already analyzed. So in that way, your credibility, your visibility in the team would definitely increase. So let me know if these tricks help you, and if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications for the next videos. Thank you.